Hello and welcome to my unboxing, setup and first impressions of the Fitbit Charge 4. If you're thinking of getting one, this video will show you what to expect. Just before I start, Team AJ is a channel that does unboxings, helps with how-to videos and does reviews on consumer tech. If you'd like to see more of the same, be sure to subscribe and please share this video with a friend. Thank you. Okay, now let's get into this. The Fitbit Charge 4 currently has a price tag of £129 in the UK or $146 in the US. It's the first in the Fitbit range to have built-in GPS, which is ideal if you go out running, cycling or for walks and you don't want to carry your phone. Of course, you don't have to be some sort of super athlete to wear one of these trackers, as they're cool just to wear as a watch. A quick look at the box I'm about to open highlights some of its key features. It lists built-in GPS, 24/7 heart rate tracking, Fitbit Pay, sleep score and a battery life of up to 7 days. Okay, let's get this box open. Let's pull this plastic and release the bottom part of the box. Pull this Fitbit logo and this will release the box. Okay, first sight of the watch there. As you can see, it's got a blue strap. I thought I'd go for something a little bit different. The Charge 2 I have has a black strap, so I thought I'll go for blue just for a change. Let's see what we have here before we go to the watch. Pop that open. There's a piece of paper with some information and we have the strap. This is the spare strap, of course. It's kind of got a diamond cut pattern. It's pretty firm, I would say. It's not really soft, but it's not really hard. It's okay. It's alright. What else have we got here? Piece of paper, cardboard, and this I believe is the charger. Now these chargers are proprietary to this model, the Charge 4, the Fitbit Charge 4. It's a USB Type A, so you can connect that to your computer or to the mains. And this is the cradle in which the watch sits. Now I have my Charge 2 close by and let's just see if that will fit. Not expecting it to, as I say, it's proprietary and you can see here it's definitely not fitting, so there's no interchangeability with the chargers and the watches, certainly the 2 and the 4. Right, let's pop that to one side and of course let's go to the main part of the meal, which is the watch. So let's just gently take that out of the box, put that to the side and you can see the watch in all its splendor. As I say, blue strap, it's got a black face, and if I take this plastic off you'll be able to see it a little bit better. Now if you look very closely at the bottom of the display you'll see the name Fitbit, which is really handy so you can identify your watch, the brand of the watch. Very sleek, lovely diamond cut design, really like that. And I think the blue and the black, the accents, the colours, they blend together really well. That's why I was keen to go for this. As you can see, you can just pop the strap open as you'd expect with any watch, and there you can see all of the sensors. As I say, I'll be doing a full breakdown of this watch, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you get to see how I put this through the paces, and I'll be going in depth on the features. You can see one of the features there, which is the haptic touch button. The Charge 2 had the physical button, Charge 4 has a haptic button. What I'll do now is just weigh this watch so we can see the total weight for it. I have some scales here, just turn them on and we'll place the watch on top and let's see what it reads out as. Okay, 24 grams. I want to show you guys the underside of the watch and how to change the strap. You just press this button here, it detaches very easily, as you can see. I'll pop that to one side, and this is the large strap, the spare one. Literally press and click. It's as simple as that. Strap has changed, and you can change either side if you wish, so you can have the buckle on the other side, if you see what I mean. There doesn't appear to be any charge in the watch at the moment, so I'm going to put it in the mains for a couple of minutes. Okay, as you can see, the Fitbit has some charge in it. I've also gone ahead and enabled Bluetooth on the iPhone here. I'm currently looking at the App Store, and this is the app you need to download for this. It's the Fitbit Health and Fitness. I have already had it installed from my previous watch, but I'll just click open here and you'll be at this account page, and you just want to click set up a device. From here select Charge 4, and then at the bottom set up. Scroll down this privacy agreement and accept once you've read it. And now it's just asking you to put the watch onto the charger. I've just charged it, so I'll just click next. It's now searching for Charge 4, connecting to tracker. Okay, it's asking for this code which is displayed on the watch, which is 7573. 7573. Connecting to Fitbit. Still connecting to Fitbit. Well, I just felt a vibration on the watch there. It's asking to pair, so let's click pair. Allow notifications, we'll say yes for that. And we have set up your Charge 4. This process normally takes several minutes to complete. Make sure to keep your Charge 4 charging and near your phone until the update is done. Let's go ahead and update, as it's a brand new watch. And as you can see at the top of the screen there, it says downloading 1%. Let's jump forward. Okay, it says Charge 4 is updated. Let's see how it looks on the wrist. It's now time to see what the Fitbit 4 looks like on the wrist. So let's slide back the sleeve and take it all in. Voila, very nice. Now I will say that I swapped the band. This is the large band. I do like the fit, it's comfortable, and I also like the haptic button at the side here. The grayscale screen is really nice too. So they're my first impressions. They're favourable. I will be putting this through its paces, as I say, over the next couple of weeks, so make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications and come back so you can see the full review of the Fitbit 4. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps me out more than you know. And if you want any more information on the Fitbit, just drop me a message in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks very much for watching my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.